Lesson number 14. Dual nature of radiation and matter. Question 1. State the Einstein photoelectric equation. Explain two characteristics of photoelectric effect on the basis of Einstein's photoelectric equation. 3 marks. Question 2. What is the photoelectric effect? Define stopping potential and photoelectric work function. 3 marks. Question 3. With the help of circuit diagram, describe an experiment to study photoelectric effect. 3 marks. Next lesson. Lesson number 15. Structure of atoms and nuclei. In that, important questions are: Question 1. Show that the speed of electron in nth orbit varies inversely to the principal quantum number. 2 marks. Question 2. Draw a neat label diagram showing energy levels and transitions between them for hydrogen atom. 2 marks. Question 3. Show that the energy of electron in nth orbit varies inversely proportional to the square of principal quantum number. 3 marks. Question 4. State any two postulates of Bohr's atomic models. State its two limitations. 3 marks. Question 5. Show that for radioactive decay, n is equal to n0 into e raised to minus lambda t, where symbols have their usual meanings. 3 marks. Question 6. Obtain an expression for half-life time of radioactive materials. 2 marks. And the last topic, lesson number 16, semiconductors device. In that, question 1, draw the circuit diagram of a half-wave rectifier, hence explain its working. 3 marks. Question 2, draw the circuit diagram of a full-wave rectifier, hence explain its working. 3 marks. Question 3. What is a logic gate? Draw the symbol and give the truth table for NOT gate. 3 marks. Question 4. Draw the circuit symbol of PNP transistor. 2 marks. Question 5. State any two advantages and disadvantages of a photodiode. 3 marks. Question 6. Explain the working of LED. 2 marks. Question 7. Explain the working of solar cell. 2 marks. Thank you.